Thanks for tuning into Discount Shelving and Display's video guide series on how to assemble our metal-framed double-sided see-through pharmacy shelving system. Throughout this video guide, we will refer to this unit as an RX see-through unit for brevity. Please note it is always required for safety to have two people to assemble the units. Here are the tools you will need. 1. A rubber mallet. Please do not use a metal hammer as it may damage the finish on your unit. 2. A carpenter's level. 3. An adjustable wrench. For the purposes of this video, we will assemble a 32-inch wide double RX see-through unit. This unit requires 3 T-shaped upright base legs, 3 upright extenders, 6 spanner bars, 4 base bottom shelves. Step 1. Assemble the 84-inch high uprights. Insert the upright extenders into the T-shaped upright base legs to create a full 84-inch high upright. The T-shaped upright base legs have a hole at the top. The upright extenders include a small steel piece that slide into the T-shaped upright base legs. This steel piece is called a splicer. To install, make sure the upright slots are facing the same direction. Then slide the splicer into the hole at the top of the T-shaped upright base legs and push down until it's fully seated. Repeat this process for all T-shaped upright base legs. Step 2. Attach the spanner bars. Have a second person hold the two uprights up and spaced apart to approximately the width of the spanner bars. Each spanner bar has 3 thin notches on both ends. These notches go into the thin slots located on the inside of the uprights. Start with the lower spanner bar near the bottom first. Insert the notches into the slots, then use a rubber mallet to strike the spanner bar down until it fully seats and locks into place. Repeat this process on the opposite upright to secure both uprights together. Each upright section includes 3 spanner bar locations, 1 at the bottom, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the top. Repeat this same process for the middle and top spanner bars to fully connect the upright sections. Step 2A. Connecting the double unit. With your single RX see-through frame assembled, you are now ready to connect the third T-shaped upright base leg to create a double unit. Please note 32-inch wide double units use a total of 3 T-shaped upright base legs. If you haven't already, make sure the third T-shaped upright base leg is assembled as a full 84 high upright. Start by attaching the bottom spanner bar to the additional T-shaped upright base leg. Like before, insert the notches into the upright slots, then use a rubber mallet to strike the spanner bar downward until it fully seats and locks into place. Next, bring the assembled upright base leg with the attached spanner bar to the freestanding single unit. Insert the exposed spanner bar notches into the slots on the side of the single unit. Use a rubber mallet to strike the spanner bar down until it fully seats and locks into place. Repeat this same process for the middle and top spanner bars to fully secure the double unit assembly. Step 3. Attach the base shelves. Please keep in mind that the base shelves and upper shelves have different designs and are not interchangeable. The base shelf includes a front notch that connects into a slot located at the bottom, towards the front of the upright base leg. Align the notch with the slot on the upright base and press downward until the shelf seats securely in place. Repeat this process on the adjacent and opposite sides to fully install of the base shelves. Step 4. Leveling. You are now ready to level your unit. Place your leveler horizontally on the bottom base shelf. Then spin the leveler with an adjustable wrench in the direction you need to go until the unit is leveled horizontally. Step 5. Installing the upper shelves. These shelves can be installed in 3 different configurations. Flat shelf with lips on all 4 sides. Angled shelf with lips on all 4 sides. Completely flat shelf with no lips. To install the shelf in a flat position, make sure the front and side lips are facing up. Hold the shelf flat and horizontally. Insert the rear notches into the upright slots, push the shelf all the way in, then press down until the shelf locks securely into place. To install the shelf in an angled position, make sure the front and side lips are facing up. Hold the shelf at a slight downward angle. Insert the rear notches into the upright slots. Do not push the shelf all the way in. Press down to lock the shelf into place. The shelf must rest on the smaller rear notch. To install the shelf in a completely flat position with no lips, flip the shelf upside down so the front and side lips are facing down. Hold the shelf flat and horizontally. Insert the rear notches into the upright slots, push the shelf all the way in, then press down until the shelf locks securely into place. Repeat this process for all 32 shelves, 16 shelves per side, installing each shelf in your desired configuration. This concludes our video guide on how to assemble a single section RX-C Thru unit. Thanks for watching.